Hello, welcome to Java Program video tutorial series. In this video, we'll download and install JDK, and I'll show you how to set environment path and how you'll check that your JDK installed properly or not. And after that, we'll write code and we'll see the output using the JDK and with the text editor itself in our subsequent video. So let's try to download and install the file. So to download, you have to just search download JDK, okay, and you will be transferred to this particular page and you'll be able to see that oracle.com is there. So you have to click over here and you will be able to see that here we have a different tabs here, and Java download section is there, and JDK 21 is there. 21 is the recent version, okay. And in the below section you can see Linux, Mac OS and Windows. As we are using the Windows operating system, that's why we'll download the file for Windows operating system. And below you can see that here is the archive file, here is the MSI version, and this is the installer, which is .exe version, okay. So we'll install this particular download and install. So the size is 163.82 MB, okay, and you have to click here. So whenever you will click that, this particular file will be downloaded, that is 164 MB, okay. Now what we will do, we'll cut this particular file and we'll move to the another folder that we are using for our Java programming. As you can see that we have copied that particular file, and you can see here. Now to install, what you have to do, you have just right click on it and then you have to click on the run as administrator, and it will ask for the permission. So you will not be able to see this particular window for the permission, okay, but you have to remember that you have to click yes to give the permission. And this particular file will be shown over here, and you can see that Java JDK Development Kit is showing that this software has already been installed. So this I have already installed, that's why it is uh, giving this kind of information here. So it is asking for, would you like to reinstall it? So let me install it to show you one more time that how you can do the installation process, okay. So you have to click on the yes and it will start the installation process, okay. And it is preparing to install, and then you have to give the permission next, and here from here you have to give the path. You can change it, but the default path is C program file Java and JDK 21 version, and then click next. Now this will extract all the files, necessary file in your C drive program file folder, and then the process will be end over here. And after that you have to set the environment variable, okay. So I'll show you that one how to set the environment path, okay. So installation process completed. Now we have to go to the C folder, and then in the program file you have to go to this Java. This folder will be automatically created after the installation process, and go over here. You can see Java JDK 21. Go inside it and go inside the bin folder. Here you can see all the DLL file, okay. Necessary DLL file, application extension type file is present here. Now we have to copy this particular path, okay, and here search environment variable, and if you'll search here you have to open it. Just click to open it, and here you have to go environment variable. Then in the system variable you can see that path is there. So I have just copied and pasted here over here. So you can edit it and you can paste the path over here. So as this path, and I previously actually added this path, that's why it is present, but in your system this path will be not there. So you have to click new and then you have to paste it, and after that what you have to do, click OK and then again click OK, and in the system properties you have to click OK. Now you have to check that this particular JDK installed properly or not. So for that, what you have to do, just type cmd here, and it will be open, and just you can open it. Now what you have to do, you have to check that installation version. So to check the version, what you have to do, just type java and then give a space and then double dash and then type version, okay, and enter. So you'll be able to see that java 20.0.1 and is there. It is giving some output. That means this version is installed in your system, okay. Now as we know that in this file the java compiler is also installed in this package, so you can check also that java c installed or not. So name of the java compiler is java c. So if we'll type java c here, you'll be able to see some information about the compiler. And if you are getting some output after pressing the enter button, you'll be able to see some information. That means the java c installed in your machine properly. Now what we will do, we will write some code, and I'll show you that it is giving the output or not. So most probably in the next video or subsequent video, we'll show you how to write code and how to compile the java program and run the program through the cmd. So thanks for watching this video. See you the our next video, so that you can understand how to write the code and compile it and run it. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.